Engineers, developers, and friends in the embedded industry, we are here at Embedded World 2025. I'm Ken Briodagh with Embedded Computing Design, and I'm so excited to be checking out some of the most interesting, exciting, and innovative companies in our entire industry, not least of which is Atlas. I'm here with John MacDonald. How are you, John?
I'm great. Nice to meet you. It's nice to be with you here.
Yeah, excellent. Tell me a little bit about Atlas that our friends out there watching find out about you, and what is Fuse?
Sure. So Atlas, we're a startup company. We're less than a year old. And what we do is we bring order and automation to the chaos of embedded development. We're a long time embedded and cloud development resources, skills, and so what we do is we help embedded teams get better, smarter, faster, all of the things that they need to do. So, and what Fuse is a tool set. It's a tool set that's agnostic to whatever platform you're using. We work with all the platforms. Has three components: Fuse Build, Fuse Test, Fuse Delivery. What Fuse Build does is it brings traceability, reproducibility, and automation to your build environment. What Fuse Test does is it brings automated hardware-in-a-loop testing into your CI/CD and release process with a standardized environment test framework. You don't have to roll your own. We do it for you. And then we have Fuse Delivery, which completes the traceability process on the back end. So from whatever you have built, whatever image you have built in the beginning, we have full traceability on where it's sent. So what we do, or what the problem that we're solving, is you never lose a build that's out there in the world.
Right.
Okay?
It sounds like your mission is really to just ease the way for the engineers and developers out there working.
Yeah, it's true. What we do is automate a bunch of things that people have been doing in the embedded world manually forever. Right. Right? And we all had this problem where I can build it on my local machine, and then I go to push it to the production environment or push it to you, my colleague, and it doesn't build for you.
Right.
We've solved that. Here's the other one. When the FAE builds a little demo version of the firmware on their machine, and then they email a zip file to somewhere else, then we've lost it. No one knows, can't reproduce it.
Right.
We've solved that problem as well.
So at what point should our engineer and developer listeners be interacting with Fuse, and how, at what point in the process would you guys come in ideally?
So we get involved sort of up front, or we can come in later and help fix a process. So ideally our teams, we work with teams that are on the small to medium size side, who don't have the ability to invest in their own custom solution. Right. You know, for traceability, for automation and so forth. So we have an off-the-shelf solution that lets you step right into the game.
That's awesome. Thank you so much, John. Thanks, really appreciate you talking us through. Folks, don't go away. We've got lots more coming from Embedded World 2025, and you don't want to miss it. Stay tuned.